All right. So we are 6 people, excluding me. And Deepika ji is not in the meeting, we are assuming, because she will not be participating. So today we will be distributing three people. So we will have 2 teams today. So we will be, distributing three members. And this time we will have a team, 2 teams, and each team will get points this time. And yes, so we will be doing like this. So let's begin. So Nakul Prabhuji and Sudarshan Prabhuji and Pooja Ravi Kumar Mataji will be in one team, and Shivanand Prabhuji, Yunus Prabhuji, and Rameshwari Mataji will be in one team. Okay? All right. So this is the schedule of the day. We already did our Kirtan, and now we will be doing our shlokas. Yes. So let's see. We shared one PDF on the group, and you will have to recite the shloka accordingly. So 26 verse is of Nakul Prabhuji. Yes, it's your turn. Are you ready? Rest will be on mute. Yes. Please. You have to recite it simply. You have to see it and recite it. Nothing complicated.
ओके। यः शृणोति च गीतार्थं कीर्तयति एव या परं श्रवयो चापरार्थं वै स प्रयाति परमं पदम्।
Parampadam. Okay.
परं पदम्।
So yah shrunoti cha girtatham, one who hears Bhagavad Gita, kirtayarti eva yah param, and one who speaks Bhagavad Gita. Kirtayati means speaks to others. Shravye cha paramarthavai sa prayati param padam. So yes, he reaches to supreme destination. And what is supreme destination? Anyone? So Shivanand Prabhuji, do you know what is supreme destination? We discussed about it. Yes. Yes, the abode of Lord Vishnu. This we learned yesterday's verse. It was mentioned. The abode of Lord Vishnu or Krishna is the supreme destination. All right. Now verse 39 goes to Rameshwari Mataji. Yes.
Hare Krishna, everyone. दर्शनीय सधनवान स योगी ज्ञानवान अपि स एव यागितो याति सर्व वेदार्थ दर्शक।
सोपानाष्टदशेरेवं भुक्ति मुक्ति समुच्यते क्रमश चित्त शुद्धि स्यात् प्रेम भक्त्यादि कर्मसु।
Would you like to elaborate it?
I think the meaning goes like by sincerely studying all 18 chapters of the Bhagavad Gita, a person rises above material desires and even the desire for liberation. So their heart becomes purified and they become qualified to serve Lord Krishna with pure love. I think that's.
Can you repeat it again?
I mean, by studying all the 18 chapters of the Bhagavad Gita, a person rises above material desires and even the desire for liberation. So their heart becomes purified and they become qualified to serve Lord
Then
Krishna.
then they get the love of God. This
Yeah,
is
yeah.
highest and last stage. Sopan means stages,
Yes.
ladders, and the highest stage is to get
Yeah.
the Godhead. This is the
Yeah.
highest stage, and the ultimate purpose of this human form of life to get the love of God. Because you will
Yes.
see, animals can't get the love of God, isn't it? Only we
Yes.
human beings are blessed with such elevated consciousness, and only we can get His love. We can understand
Yes.
our relationship with Him. So, yes, very nice.
Thank you.
So you will get extra points because you explained it very nicely. Okay, moving forward now. Verse 22. Sudarshan Prabhuji, where are you? Yes, it is. It's yours. Very easy shloka.
देवकीनन्दनः कृष्णो गीतापाठेन तुष्यते यथा न वेदैः दानेन यज्ञतीर्थव्रतादिभिः
Okay, would you like to
आ
go
रहा है
ahead?
ना आवाज मेरा?
Yes, yes, yes.
न ही वेदों के पाठन से न दान यज्ञ तीर्थ या व्रत करने से जो देवकी नंदन श्री कृष्ण है वो गीता के पाठन करने से संतुष्ट होते हैं।
Very amazing. Great. So you will also get extra points. Okay. Verse 19 is for Pooja Ravi Kumar Mataji. Where are
Hare
you?
Krishna Mataji.
Yes, please.
Yes, Mataji. तस्मात् धर्ममयी गीता सर्वज्ञाना प्रयोजिका सर्वशास्त्रसारभूता विशुद्धा सा विशिष्यते. The meaning of the translation of this shloka is all the shastras, मतलब सारे शास्त्र और सारे ज्ञान सर्वत्र ज्ञान पवित्र गीत श्रीमद् भगवत गीता के सर्वत्र रूप से सम्मानित है. Like Srimad Bhagavad Gita is most important Gita Granth, which is all knowledge in that.
Yes, yes, be comfortable in Hindi, English, जैसे भी आप बोलना चाहते हैं. जो भी समझ आ रहा है एक एक वर्ड से just speak. There is no competition. ये मैंने points तो रखा है थोड़ा exciting करने के लिए. But we all are the winners because we are here in this meeting.
That's it.
That's it. Anyone
Yes.
else? Tasmad dharmamayi Gita. Gita is dharmamayi. Just like you will see sun. Sun is prakashmayi. So Gita is dharmamayi. Sarva Gyan Prayojika. It is the abundance of all the knowledge. So whatever is being presented in Bhagavad Gita, that is only knowledge, and other topics are not knowledge. Those are mundane topics. Sarva Shastra Sarbhuta, it is the essence of all these scriptures. Vishuddhasa Vishishyate. So yes, it was like this. Now verse 43 is for someone who is absent. 29. Deepika, Mataji, yes, you can recite it. You don't have to tell the meaning of it, and you can recite it in any ways, even if you are not prepared.
Yeah, one
Yes.
second, sorry. अभिचारोद् भवं दुःखं वर शाण्गतं च यत् नोपस्पति तत्रैव यत्र गीतार्चनं गृहे.
All right, very nice. So this verse tells that whatever sufferings or pains, diseases, black magic, whatever people do, but any person who is reading Bhagavad Gita, so he is protected from all these things: negativity, black magic, diseases, whatever. All right. Now comes the amazing part. And okay, I'll mute everyone. And then you have to raise your hands to participate. And please know we are divided into two teams and I am counting the points. So yes, first line goes, this is the shloka which we learned yesterday. I'm giving you hint. So Gita dash Sanyukta. You can raise your hands. You can do like this also. And I will allow you to unmute yourself. Okay. Rameshwari Mataji, yes.
माताजी गीता पुस्तक संयुक्तम.
Okay, very nice. Next, dash tyaktva prayati yaha. Sudarshan Prabhuji, are you raising your finger? I mean, I'm confused. Are you raising your finger? Okay. We'll give you chance.
प्राणं त्यक्त्वा.
Pranam. Yes. Okay. Nice. Next is Pooja Ravi Kumar Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Sa dash avapnoti.
Sa Vaikuntam avapnoti.
Yes, you are Vaikuntham girl. You are, giving answers related to Vaikuntha board. Very nice. Okay. Next is Vishnu na saha dash. And if you are raising your hand, you will also have to tell the meaning of this word which you will be speaking. Vishnu na saha dash. Anyone? जिनका हो गया उनको नंबर नहीं मिलेगा. Yes, why are you not raising your hands? Nakul Prabhuji, I was expecting from you. You are cheating. You are reading the shloka. This is not good. Okay, still I'll give you the chance. Please.
Actually, this one we recited yesterday, but I forgotten today.
Vishnu na saha dash. Shivanand Prabhuji, you were saying that it's very easy for me. It's very easy task for me to learn the shlokas. Would you like to give it a try?
Okay, it's Mudate.
Meaning?
Yeah, meaning is
You will not get half point. You will not get half point of telling.
yeah.
Okay. Who is left? Yes, you are very excited. Please tell.
Who Mataji, me?
Yes.
Vishnuna saha modate. This means we will touch the Bhagavad Gita and the end of their life. They will be
No, you have to
going
tell
to.
the meaning of that particular word.
They will be happily living with Lord Vishnu in the Vaikuntha Dham.
Yes, so Modate means
Anandapura.
happy. We all are searching for happiness. So we will be living with Lord Vishnu in his abode happily. It's that easy. Okay, very nice. Now comes the activity time, and we will not be playing Krishna conscious names activity this time. We have something else. I will play a video, and where is that? Yunis Mataji, it will be in Hindi, but you will see the subtitles, so it will help you. So you can, take notes. It will be about the three modes of material nature: mode of goodness, mode of passion, mode of ignorance by Sattvic movement. So we'll be understanding these three modes of material nature, and then we will also have an activity related to these modes of material nature. So please, you can, keep your copies ready with you. You will have to write the not notes, but the points. Basically, she will ask you that is this your habit? Is this habit relates to you? Then you will have to give points to yourself. And at the end of this video, you will find so many points. And from that, you will come to know in which mode of material nature you fall. Whether you are a satoguni person or a rajoguni person or a tamoguni person, you will come to know that at the end of the video. So I hope you understood it, and we'll begin now. So you have to be honest with yourself. Let's understand.
क्या आपने कभी सोचा है क्यों किसी के लिए सुबह उठना बहुत मुश्किल होता है और किसी के लिए 5 बजे ही उठना बहुत आसान? किसी को म्यूजिक बहुत लाउड पसंद है तो किसी को उसी म्यूजिक से सर दर्द होने लग जाता है। कुछ लोग काम मिलते ही खत्म कर देते हैं, मगर कुछ लोग जब तक डेडलाइन ना आ जाए तब तक काम शुरू भी नहीं कर पाते। हमारी ये सारी आदतें, ये सभी पसंद नापसंद कहाँ से आती हैं? हमारे वेदों के मुताबिक हम सभी के अंदर 3 गुण पाए जाते हैं। सात्विक यानी मोड ऑफ गुडनेस, राजसिक यानी मोड ऑफ पैशन और तामसिक यानी मोड ऑफ इग्नोरेंस। इनमें से जो गुण आपके अंदर सबसे ज्यादा होता है वो ही डिसाइड करता है कि आपका दूसरों के साथ स्वभाव कैसा है, आपको खाना कौन सा अच्छा लगता है, आप कपड़े कौन से पहनना पसंद करते हैं और यहाँ तक कि आप करियर में करना क्या चाहते हैं। ये सब डिपेंड करता है आपके गुण पर। तो इस वीडियो में हम करेंगे एक पर्सनालिटी टेस्ट। टेस्ट के आखिर तक आपको पता चल जाएगा कि इन 3 गुणों में से आपके अंदर सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट गुण कौन सा है। इस टेस्ट को कंप्लीट कीजिए और देखिए आप अपने बारे में क्या क्या सीखते हैं। जल्दी से एक पेपर और पेन ले आइए जहां आप अपने आंसर्स नोट कर सके। तो अपने फोन में भी कर सकते हैं। आपके सामने आएंगे 15 सवाल और हर सवाल के लिए 3 ऑप्शंस। 3 ऑप्शन में से आपको एक ही ऑप्शन चूज करनी है। पहला सवाल, आपका बेडरूम ज्यादातर कैसा दिखता है? ए, बिल्कुल साफ सुथरा और ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, बी, थोड़ा बहुत बिखरा हुआ, या सी, पूरी तरह बिखरा हुआ। दूसरा सवाल, ऑप्शन मिले तो आप अपने दोस्त के साथ इनमें से क्या करना चाहेंगे? ए, एक गार्डन में वॉक पे जाना, बी, क्लब में पार्टी करना, या सी, बिस्तर पे लेट के टीवी देखना। तीसरा सवाल, आपकी अलमारी में ज्यादातर कपड़े कैसे मिलेंगे? ए, वाइट लाइट कलर्ड के कपड़े, बी, ब्राइट कलर्स के कपड़े जैसे कि रेड, ऑरेंज और येलो, या सी, ब्लैक और डार्क कपड़े। चौथा सवाल, कितनी बार आपकी अपने चाहने वालों से लड़ाई हो जाती है? ए, कभी नहीं या बहुत कम, बी, हर दूसरे दिन होती रहती है, या सी, मैं तो किसी से बात ही नहीं करता। मेरी आपसे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है, जो भी आप ऑप्शन चुने प्लीज उसको पूरी ऑनेस्टी के साथ चूज करें, वरना आपका रिजल्ट एक्यूरेट नहीं आएगा। अगला सवाल, आपके सामने ये तीनों पड़े हो तो आप क्या चूज करेंगे? कलरफुल और जूसी फल, स्पाइसी मसालेदार नमकीन, या चिकन बिरयानी। अगला सवाल, कोई नया काम मिलने पर आप उसको कैसे करते हैं? ए, बहुत प्यार के साथ उसको अपनी ड्यूटी समझ के, बी, दूसरों को कुछ दिखाने की आशा में, या सी, बहुत आलस के साथ। अगला सवाल, जब आप दोस्तों या फैमिली के साथ टेबल पे बैठते हैं तो ज्यादातर क्या डिस्कस करते हैं? ए, खुद को बेहतर बनाने की बातें और दूसरों की मदद करने के आइडियाज, बी, पॉलिटिक्स, न्यूज और दूसरों के बारे में गॉसिप, या सी, मुझे दूसरों से बात ही करने में आलस आता है। अगला सवाल, रात को आपको नींद कैसी आती है? एकदम गहरी नींद, डिस्टर्ब्ड स्लीप, सपनों से भरी हुई, या फिर बेहोशी जैसी नींद जहां 9 घंटे भी कम लगते हैं। अगला सवाल, मोस्टली आप किस तरह की किताबें पढ़ते हैं? ए, स्पिरिचुअल और फिलोसॉफिकल बुक्स, बी, बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट और सक्सेस बुक्स, या सी, मुझे तो किताब पढ़ना ही पसंद नहीं। जब आप सुबह सो के उठते हैं तो आपका माइंड कैसा होता है? ए, एकदम शांत, मेडिटेशन या प्रेयर करने का मन करता है, बी, बहुत चंचल, मैं तो उठते ही काम के बारे में सोचता हूँ, या सी, बहुत लेजी, बस मन करता है वापस से सो जाओ। अगला सवाल, इन तीनों में से आप कौन सी ड्रिंक पसंद करेंगे? फ्रेश जूस, गरम गरम चाय या कॉफी, या फिर बियर या अल्कोहल? अगला सवाल, आप बोलते समय गाली या बुरे शब्दों का इस्तेमाल कितना करते हैं? कभी नहीं, कभी कभी, या बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली? अगला सवाल, आप सुबह कितने बजे उठते हैं? 4 से 6 बजे के बीच में, 6 से 8 के बीच में या 8 बजे के बाद? अगला सवाल, आपका काम करते वक्त एटीट्यूड कैसा होता है? ए, एकदम पीसफुल, रेयरली कभी गुस्सा आता है। बी, छोटी छोटी बातों पे गुस्सा आने लगता है। या सी, मैं काम करता ही नहीं तो गुस्सा कैसे आएगा? आखिरी सवाल, किस तरह के गाने आप सबसे ज्यादा सुनते हैं? सूदिंग और काम, लाउड और फास्ट या सैड और डिप्रेसिंग? तो चलिए अब जल्दी से अपना स्कोर काउंट कर लीजिए। सबसे ज्यादा आपकी आंसर चॉइसेस कौन सी हैं? एज, बीज या सीज? सबसे ज्यादा
Okay, let's just, see. We will calculate our scores, and you don't have to tell it to anyone. You have to keep it with you only. So we have only 1 minute to calculate our score, and you'll come to know what kind of personality you are. Thirty seconds more to go. Okay, let's continue.
ए आने पर आपका स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट गुण है सात्विक, ज्यादा बीज होने पर आपका स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट गुण है राजसिक और ज्यादा सीज होने पर आपका स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट गुण है तामसिक। हमें नीचे कमेंट करके बताइए कि आपका सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट गुण कौन सा निकला, ताकि हम नेक्स्ट वीडियोस उसी के अकॉर्डिंग बना पाए। अब ध्यान से सुनिए, भागवत गीता में भगवान कृष्ण ने हर गुण के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बताए हैं। तामसिक गुण को इंग्लिश में कहा जाता है मोड ऑफ इग्नोरेंस। रात को नींद आना या ज्यादा काम करने पर थोड़ा रेस्ट करना, ये हमारे अंदर का तमस ही है जो हमसे करवाता है। मगर अगर आपके ज्यादातर सीज आए हैं तो मतलब आपके अंदर तामसिक गुण ज्यादा है और इसीलिए आप दिन भर आलस, ज्यादातर समय थका थका या फिर हमेशा दुखी और डिप्रेस्ड फील करते हैं। लाइफ में कुछ भी एक्साइटिंग नहीं लगता, किसी चीज को करने की मोटिवेशन ही नहीं आती। दूसरा है राजसिक गुण, मोड ऑफ पैशन। ये वो गुण है जो आपको अपना काम खत्म करने के लिए पुश करता है। रजोगुण बुरा नहीं है, राजसिक गुण का एक्सेस होने से प्रॉब्लम है। अगर आपके ज्यादातर बी आए तो मतलब आपके अंदर राजसिक गुण ज्यादा है और इसीलिए आपको हमेशा किसी ना किसी चीज का स्ट्रेस रहता है। आपके अंदर बहुत एनर्जी, पैशन और मोटिवेशन तो है, लेकिन मन हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ सोचते रहता है। आपके लिए मन को शांत करना आसान नहीं होता और जब ये गुण ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है तो अंदर ईगो यानी अहंकार आ जाता है। बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आने लगता है, हर समय फियर यानी किसी ना किसी चीज का डर लगा रहता है और सेंसेस पे कंट्रोल किया ही नहीं जाता। तीसरा गुण है सात्विक गुण, मोड ऑफ गुडनेस। जब आप सतोगुण में होते हैं तो आप हमेशा खुशी, सेटिस्फैक्शन, अपनी सेंसेस पर कंट्रोल, फियरलेसनेस यानी निडरता और सबके लिए लव फील करते हैं। चाहे लाइफ में कोई नया डिसिप्लिन लाना हो, किसी दूसरे की मदद करनी हो या सुबह जल्दी उठना हो, ये सभी हमारे अंदर का सतोगुण ही मुमकिन करता है। ये याद रखिएगा कि हम सभी में ये तीनों गुण होते हैं, कोई कम तो कोई ज्यादा। इन
All right, everyone. So, what is the conclusion? Which mode of material, yes, which mode is more nice? Which one is good? Anyone can unmute themselves and speak.
Sattvic, mode of goodness.
Sattvic.
Sattvic. Yes, Sattvic.
Mataji,
Yes. What? Which more?
Mataji, I was saying Sattvic Gun with a slight mix of Rajasic mode to have that motivation to do something, whatever we are planning to do.
Okay. So, all right, everyone. Bottom line is Sattvic Gun is best. So now we have a task for tomorrow, which I am telling today only, that you have to think about 3 activities in which falls in the mode of goodness. That might be something you might already be practicing in your daily life, but you don't have to choose that one. You have to choose 3 those activities which falls in the mode of goodness, and you will strive to follow those activities so that your mode of goodness will increase. So one should understand this thing, that there are 3 modes of material nature, and whatever we are practicing in our daily life, it increases. So this video made us conscious that we need to practice mode of goodness in our life, because this helps us in our spiritual life. Any person who is serving Lord Krishna, he is basically existing in transcendental mode, beyond all these material modes. But mode of goodness helps us in our spiritual life. So, are you getting the task of the day? This will be tomorrow's task. You need to decide any 3 activity which you will be practicing every day gradually. If not, if you're not able to do it altogether, gradually you can practice those activities in your life. That can be any activity. So I would love to hear any one activity from each one of you which falls in the mode of goodness. Only one activity. Yes, Eunice Mataji, let's start from you. Any which falls in mode of goodness.
You wake up early in the morning.
Yes, very nice. I was, I wanted to hear this only. Thank you so much. Next come Rameshwari Mataji, please.
Mataji, it can be starting a day with a healthy juice.
Okay. So healthy lifestyle. And healthy lifestyle means consuming food which falls in sattvic food.
Yes, Sattvic.
Healthy fruit, palatable fruits. Okay. Okay, Nakul Prabhuji, please.
Hare Krishna. For me, like wearing white clothes.
Okay, light clothes. All right. Pooja Ravi Kumar Mataji.
Mataji, feeding animals, like giving food to animals.
Would you like to feed them every day? Or occasionally?
Like daily, I to the cows, cow mother.
Okay. Sudarshan Prabhuji?
Listening kirtan or pravachans.
Yes, hearing kirtans. Very nice. And yes, Shivanand Prabhuji.
To make up your bed early in the morning.
What?
To make up your bed.
Wake up your what?
To make up your bed.
Okay,
Bed, bistar.
okay, bed. Okay, making your
Yeah.
bed.
Yeah,
Bed.
make up,
Making
making
your
up.
bed. So basically, sleeping early at night, right? All right.
Yeah.
So there are few habits. Taking a shower in early morning. This also falls in mode of goodness. And
Yoga Mataji.
yes, practicing yoga, exercising. So these things falls in more of goodness. So I'll share a list and you can choose possibilities there. Possibilities there you might already be following these things in your life, but you have to choose any those three things which you are not following right now and you need to
I think
strive.
Deepika ji is saying something. Trying to say something.
Yes, please.
Yeah, can I add mine also? I was thinking one, and everybody was telling that already. But what I thought is being calm and being happy, whatever is the external situation. That also is one of the goodness, right? Yeah, sattvic.
So yes, this quality comes, very nice point. This quality comes when we practice more of goodness in our lives. Then you will see
Yeah, very true.
you will automatically feel very calm, very peaceful.
Hmm.
This mode of goodness is helpful in our spiritual life. All right, thank you so much for sharing this point. And now we will move forward. This will be our last activity and my favorite quiz time. So, whatever we have learned so far from the day one of Gita Mahatmya, quizzes related to that topic. And I will catch everyone, especially whose videos are on. So you can, put your videos off if you don't, if you are scared, like Deepika Mataji. Anyways, let's begin. So you have to raise your hands. Okay, I will mute everyone first. And then you need to raise your hands to participate. So first question is, it is a fill in the blank. Bhagavad Gita is dash. So there are three options. And these three are correct, all correct, but you have to choose any one appropriate answer. Bhagavad Gita is a spiritual book, or Krishna himself, or devotee's favorite. What is the most appropriate answer? Yes, Pooja Ravi Kumar Mataji.
Mataji, Krishna himself.
Yes, very nice. Krishna himself. So we heard it today that Bhagavad Gita is non-different from Lord Krishna. We are seeing it as a book, but it is not a book. It is Krishna himself. That's why you will see, we heard so many glories of Bhagavad Gita, that any person who keeps Bhagavad Gita on his heart at the time of death, he will be liberated. Why so? Because Bhagavad Gita is supremely pure as Krishna. Because Bhagavad Gita is Krishna himself. And we can't experience this right now, but as our consciousness will be purified and we will get at that stage, then Krishna himself will reveal this to us. That this Bhagavad Gita is Krishna himself. Moving forward. If a person fails to go back to Godhead in this life, then what will happen? We heard this in today's session only. Okay, Sudarshan Prabhuji has put his video off. This is not good. I was about to catch you, by the way. So, anyone? And you don't have to speculate. If you really, remember it with your memory, then you can go ahead. Okay, so I see no one is there. Why are you clapping, Sudarshan Prabhuji? Anyway, okay, let's see. If a person fails to go back to, okay, he's raising his hand. Yes, please. You can speak in Hindi, no problem.
yes. अगर वो गॉड एड तक नहीं जाता तो उसको मनुष्य जीवन मिलता है अगले अगले जन्म में।
ओके, एंड मनुष्य जीवन मिलने के बाद उसका क्या होएगा?
मतलब वो कृष्णा कॉन्शियस मनुष्य जीवन मिलता
आपकी आवाज कट गई.
वो कृष्णा कॉन्शियस मनुष्य जीवन मिलता है उसको।
Yes, so you are on the point. So if any person he's reading Bhagavad Gita in this lifetime, and suppose he fails to go back to Krishna, then Krishna will give him next opportunity again. He will get human form of life in his next birth, and he will again get opportunity to read Bhagavad Gita in association with devotees. Do you remember this point? We heard this in our today's class. Prabhuji explained that there is no loss. We had a spark of reading Bhagavad Gita. Okay, I would love to know here, did you ever had a spark to understand Bhagavad Gita in your life? Anyone? No one is raising hand. Did I take you to these sessions by force? Or are you coming by your own desire? So you will see, we all had this desire in our heart to understand Bhagavad Gita. So we unfortunately failed to understand the essence of Bhagavad Gita in our previous life. That's why it is now continuing, and we got association of devotees. So Krishna is very merciful. Okay, next. So you will get 1 point. Sudarshan Prabhuji. Yes. Chapter 1 of Bhagavad Gita is Krishna's lotus dash. I will not give options. If you remember it with your memory, please go ahead. Okay, Rameshwari Mataji, please. Okay,
So
one more point. If you will give wrong answer, then there will be negative marking also. I just got this idea. Okay. Yes.
Mataji, lotus face.
Lotus face. Is it lotus face, Sudarshan Prabhuji? Yes or no, you can nod your head. No? You only corrected me today. I was confused and you are confused yourself now. Okay, yes. So it's lotus face. Next is, who is God? Who is God? You can give definition or you can tell in one word. And okay, in case you are not getting chance to unmute yourself, you can even chat. No one knows who is God. Krishna is God. It's very easy. Krishna is God. You people are, you are hesitating for no reason. Krishna is God. It's just that easy. Now here comes this verse. Let's see who remember this. Patram pushpam dash toyam. Sudarshan Prabhuji, okay, you know. Eunice Mataji, yes. Do you know this verse? Patram pushpam dash toyam. If you offer me with love, what? Patram, leaf. Pushpam, flower. Toyam, water. And one word is missing here. What's that? Do you remember? You can mute yourself. What happened?
Is it a flower?
Flower is Pushpam already. Patram is leaf, Pushpam is flower, Toyam is water, and one more thing is missing. Okay, Rameshwari Mataji has given the answer already in the chat. Shivanand Prabhuji, I know you are already offering it to Krishna. You don't remember it? I specially quoted this verse for you when you shared something on the group.
Prasadam.
Yes, please, Shivanand Prabhuji, if you know. Wow, Deepika Mataji knows. Yes, please.
Yeah. Phallam.
Yes, fruits.
Fruits, yes, yes.
Very nice. Very nice. So, okay, you people are not offering your fruits to Krishna. I am understanding this. This is very bad. You should offer your fruits to Krishna. That's why you don't remember it. So, from this verse, we can, take one more activity which we can do for Krishna. We should daily check our list. We will be offering these 4 things. These are very easy. Patram is you offer tulsi leaf to Krishna. Pushpam is you offer flower to Krishna. Fruits, which you eat every day in your breakfast. Shivanand Prabhuji, this is very bad. You should offer your fruits to Krishna. And Toyam means water. Very easy. So yes, we can have this checklist ready. Okay, Eunice Mataji, please offer your fruits. I don't know, in Western countries, there are different categories of fruits which we can't find in India. So you should offer it and you can post your photos in the group. Okay, moving forward now. This is the last one. Then we will stop. Who is Lord Chaitanya? This is my favorite question. Okay. So this answer is for, okay, Eunice Mother is also raising her hand. Very nice. Everyone should raise their hands. Even if you don't know the answer, you raise your hand. I will be, motivated that yes, everyone is learning nicely. Yes, Mataji, please.
Lord Chaitanya is incarnation of Krishna and Radharani.
Yes, so Lord Chaitanya is Krishna himself. He's not incarnation.
Ah.
Not means Krishna has not manifested himself to Lord Chaitanya. Krishna is Lord Chaitanya only. It's just he has changed his dress, but he is the same personality. So Lord Chaitanya, see, please understand this thing. Only Lord Krishna can give the love of himself. No any other incarnation can give his love. Lord Vishnu cannot give you the love of Godhead. Only Krishna can give that, and only Lord Chaitanya can do that because Lord Chaitanya is Krishna himself. This is very important. Other incarnations of Krishna cannot give you the love of Godhead. Only Krishna can give, and only Lord Chaitanya can give because these are same personalities. Okay, this is tricky one and I want everyone to participate. Hare Krishna Mahamantra has how many holy names? So you can count it on your fingers just now. Please count it on your fingers. You all know Hare Krishna Mahamantra, I hope. Yes, you all are chanting every morning. Okay. Yes, Sudarshan Prabhuji. I see you are very upset because I'm not giving you chances. Please forgive me. Please go ahead.
16.
16. Okay, very nice. Pooja Ravi Kumar Mataji, is it 16 or is it 3? I want to hear from you. Is it 16 or is it 3?
Mataji, 3 names are there, like Hare, Krishna, and Rama, but total 16 words are there in
No,
that.
you don't explain me. You just say 3 or 16. See, question is in front of you. Hare Krishna Mahamantra has how many holy names? So is it 16 or 3?
3, Mataji.
Okay, let's do a voting here. Who are in the party of Pooja Ravi Kumar Mataji? You can raise your hands. 3 holy names. Please raise your hands. Okay, Sudarshan Prabhuji, Nakul Prabhuji, Deepika, and okay. Rest are in 16 party. 16 names are there. Eunice Mataji, I would love to hear from you. 16 or 3?
It's 3.
16.
3. 3.
No, 16 or 3?
3.
Only 3. Okay. Shivanand Prabhuji, 16 or 3?
That's 16.
Okay. Nakul Prabhuji, 16 or 3? You know you are the leader of our weekend Sangha. So please, I want to hear from you. 16 or 3?
I'll go with 3.
3.
Yeah.
Okay. So everyone, you all got 0 points. Only Shivanand Prabhuji is the winner of this question. There are 16 holy names, not only 3. 16 holy
I
names.
also said 16.
So please count. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. It's 16 holy names. So right answer is 16. His Holiness Sachinandan Swami Maharaj asked this question in today's lecture. So I got idea from there. Okay, next question. What are the opulences, 6 opulences of Krishna? So, we have 2 teams. First chance we will give to team A. You can raise your hands. Team A. 3 opulences you need to tell.
Strength, beauty, and famous.
Fame. Okay. Now rest 3. Anyone else? My memory is blur. I am not able to remember what are these opulences. Yes, Sudarshan Prabhuji, you are in his team only, so no. Okay. Rameshwari Mataji, yes. Thank you for not cutting my nose. Please.
Mataji, what all have been covered? Beauty and
Beauty,
so
fame,
yeah,
and strength is covered.
covered. Okay. So dhan, gyan, and tyag.
Good. Now, Shivanand Prabhuji, you please tell all the 6. Bonus for you. All the 6, if you remember.
So wealth, strength, fame, beauty, knowledge, and renunciation. Yeah.
Yay! Very nice. Okay. Next. Lord Nityananda appeared in Kali Yuga as. Who will tell? Sudarshan Prabhuji, yes.
Balram.
Yes, Lord Balram. It's Lord Balram. Okay.
Yes.
Now, true and false. All kinds of fruits can be consumed on Ekadashi. True or false? Yes.
Yeah, it's true.
True. Are you sure? Anyone else? Anyone else? Yes.
Mataji, tomato is also a fruit in a way, so it is
No,
not
no,
consumed.
no, no, tomato is not a
No, it
fruit.
is.
Eat fruits
Okay,
only.
okay. Okay. So, no idea. I forgot.
Forgot. Okay, you forgot. Don't forget Ekadashi fast. Okay, you forgot everything, but don't forget Ekadashi fast. Anyone else? Yunis Mataji, yes. Do you observe Ekadashi fast? I mean, I don't know if you're aware of it. Ekadashi fast.
Yes, last Sunday, 16th, was Vishnu Ekadashi.
Okay, so all kinds of foods can be consumed on Ekadashi. True or false?
I think some may have different gunas, different fruits, maybe. Don't know. I had pineapple on that morning, and then I didn't eat until.
Okay, Deepika Mataji, what? I mean, would you like to say something on this?
I think yes, but I'm not that much aware. I eat only few fruits, but I am not aware which should not be eaten. I think it is true.
Yes. So it's true. You can consume all kinds of fruits on Ekadashi. So my business is to confuse everyone. So yes, don't be trapped. Now this is the last one, which I think everyone knows. To recite Panch Tattva Mahamantra. We all know this, this is kids. This is kids thing now for us, is it not? Um, so let's leave this question. So, all right, everyone, we had an amazing time today. I hope it was not as heavy as the previous session. We had lots of knowledge in previous session, but I hope you had fun today. You can, nod your heads like this or that. I will not mind. Yes, Yunis Mataji, did you love the discussion today? I know there were some Hindi points, that's verses, but we'll try to figure it out. All right, now I want to make one announcement here, then we will stop. So, dear everyone, soon Appearance Day of Srila Prabhupada is coming. Srila Prabhupada ji is our spiritual master, is it not? He is the spiritual master of this whole world because he preached the glories of Krishna. He gave us this movement, is it not? Throughout the world. So his appearance day is coming soon. Appearance day means that he appeared on this in this mortal world. We take birth, we die and we take birth, but the great devotees of Krishna, they appear in this mortal earth, mortal world by their own choice. So soon his appearance day will come and there will be one session on appearance day of Srila Prabhupada on 19th July, upcoming 19th, and it will be for kids. It will be for kids, but I see we all are kids, is it not? So I will encourage everyone to participate. I mean to attend that session. And as that session is for kids, so you really don't have to put your videos on because kids will be participating. But please know that the knowledge will be very nice. It will be fun-loving session. You know, kids, they can't grab much knowledge. So it will be game activities or very fun activities, craft activities, but you will be able to learn so much from that session. So I'll share the link. It will be on 19th July at 5 p.m. India time. 5 p.m. It will be 1 hour session. So I will encourage everyone to join it. It will help you to understand who Srila Prabhupada is, what mercy he has given us, and yeah, basically all about him. So thank you so much for joining. If you want to say something, you can unmute yourselves and speak.
Mataji, Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji, one more question was there. What is the meaning of Krishna?
Wow, yes, thank you so much for reminding me this. So anyone? You can, unmute yourself fast and speak. Anyone is allowed.
All
Most attractive.
Mataji, all
All
attractive.
attractive.
All attractive, yeah.
Okay, very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. I know, Pooja Mataji, you prepared very nicely today. That yes, I will give my all in today's session. Very nice. You're very enthusiastic. Anything else? No? Yes, we want to speak something that let us sleep now. You are eating so much of our minds. Please let us sleep now. You just end this meeting. Okay, it's time to end the meeting. Thank you so much for joining today. It means a lot. We'll end here now. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you Mataji for your wonderful time.
Hare
Hare Krishna to
Krishna.
everyone.
Okay, Deepika ji, thank you so much for joining. And
Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.